Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the previous generation of Hyundai Tucson and you're watching 5 minutes review. Let's go around. So there you go. This is the Hyundai Tucson, previous generation of the car. And this car actually is very popular on the road. Not only in UK, but today I will show you what you can find inside the car. That one is from 2019. It's 4 years old, and look at that. The cash price is almost £18,000. Customer deposit 314 and monthly payment also 314. Optional final payment will be over 7,000 and over £7,500. If you are interested about something like that, you can get the car for £314 a month. Just let me know in the comment below if you are looking for the used car and you like this kind of finals. Anyway, what we can find, I like the design of the car. I like the shape of that fog lights with the LED light with lots of chrome details around, so I like it. Also the car seems to be very huge. Let's check the tires. This is 225/60 R17, so 17, but to be honest with you, in this car they looks like 18. I like the shape, I like the design. There's nothing to complain about it, to be honest with you. In this model you've got parking sensor, also you've got camera reverse. That's dirty. Very nice, but to be honest with you, I prefer the black color. This one looks better for me than that one, but this one has better price, so that's the key. Okay, so let's open the car and let's take a look inside what we can find. Let's start from the handle as usual. So very massive handle. Okay, so that's the door. Upper part is made of soft material, it's a soft rubber, but it's very narrow. Here is a very small armrest, but it's nice and soft. With storage, with the handle as usual, space for your bottle, pocket in the door, the seat with the manual adjustment. Only that part is electric. So the seat itself are made of nice material, I would say very nice and soft. Good side support, but it's not very big, but I will see that when I sit inside the car. Here also, that's very soft. Side support on the seat is very soft. Okay, let's go inside. 2019 Hyundai Tucson 1.6 GDI Blue Drive SE nav 5-door 2-wheel drive estate, 17,995 pound. Transmission manual and engine size 1.6 petrol and mileage only 13,000 miles. Okay, over 13. Oh, now it's almost 14,000 miles, but it's nothing wrong about it. I will say the car is almost like brand new. Let me start from the visibility first. So this is my perfect position behind the steering wheel. Camera now is on my eye level position, and that's how I see everything around myself. Look at that. I cannot complain about the mirror because it's very high, so that's fine. So the A-pillar are narrow. On the bottom they are very wide, but it's no problem at all with the visibility, to be honest with you. The side mirror and the nice size. Let's take a look to the back. You don't see much, but like I told you before, we've got the reverse camera, which I will check later on for you. The old dash is made of soft material, the same like on the upper part of the door. I like the design, I like the shape, everything is here is very nice. Okay, so about the space, I've got plenty room for my leg. I'm 193 centimeters tall, over 6 fingers above my head, so that's nice. That's your touch screen with all entertainment system. That's your air vents, your air conditioning panel with physical buttons, what I like, 12-volt socket, aux, USB, another 12. You got your shelf, which I am more than sure in higher version will be induction charger. 6-gear manual transmission. You've got 2 cup holders, but that one is smaller one, that one is bigger one. Handbrake and armrest, which is I will say soft, but you can move all the way to the front, so that's good. There is also small compartment which I couldn't open. Okay, I've got it. There you go, small compartment, and that's all. Anyway, that's your panel to adjust your windows and mirrors. That's the steering wheel itself. Is nicely designed, I will say. Not that soft, not that hard, but it's okay. It's multifunctional, so that I like. Let's open the storage. The front of the passenger is quite deep. There's no problem at all. Of course, it's made of hard plastic inside, but that's not surprise. It's not a Mercedes Class C. Like I said before, the seats are quite comfortable. They doesn't look like that from the outside. They are quite comfortable. Of course, I will ask for the wider part, arm level of the backrest, but it's what it is. Let's take a look on the top. You got the sun visor with the lights. Yeah, okay. Huge mirror, very huge mirror. You got your storage for your glasses, which is quite big, I will say, and nice and soft inside. That's your clocks, manual clocks. Check system, 2 manual clocks, and your onboard computer on the middle. Alright, so it's the same story. Upper part is nice and soft. Here's also is soft. We storage with the handle and space for your bottle of other things. That's the back seat, and to be honest with you, doesn't look very nice, I will say, but I'm more than sure you will find yourself very comfortable inside. Let's take a look. Okay, so that's my position. So you can see I've got enough space for my leg. I'm 190, like I said, 193 centimeters tall. And look at that, I've got plenty of room for my feet, plenty of room, and the seat is now on the lower position. Above my head is 5 fingers. It's lots of room, trust me. And to be honest with you, that back seat is actually for 2 adults and maybe very slim kids. You've got armrest with 2 cup holders, that's okay. The back side of the front seat are made of hard plastic with some mesh, let's say pocket. You've got another air vents, 12 volt socket. No, it's not 12 volt socket, it's USB. 1 extra light here, and yeah, I would say it's quite comfortable and it's very nice. Let's go to the boot. Oh, so it's quite big, I will say. Let's take a look what we can find inside. How many liters you can see right now on your screen. We have nice flat floor without any steps, so that's good. We had only 1 light here, 12 volt socket, 2 hooks on both sides, so that's good. Actually, it seems like 4 hooks because you can hang something from both sides, so that's all right. Double floor, which is quite solid, and that's what I love. The spare wheel. I love spare wheel. And you've got the side pocket. Look at that. 2 side pocket hiding away. The boot is long, up to 32.5 inches. It's high up to the shelf, how I call it, 43 centimeters. That's mean around 17 inches. And it's wide on the wider side, 134 centimeters, or the shorter 103 centimeters. That's mean 40.5 inches. That's all about the boot. Let's go under the, where's the handle? Oh, it's here, under the bonnet. Right, so that's your 1.6 petrol engine, which is seems like to be quite small for the all area what you can find under the bonnet. All details about the other option you can see right now on the screen. Yeah, so plenty of space, plenty of room for the car mechanic, and by the way, the bonnet is very heavy. Alright guys, and that's all. Please let me know in the comment below what you think about the car, and as usual, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself and your 4 wheels, and see you next time.